What is so special about Iceland? Is it the clean air? Hardly. Is it the blue lagoon? I don't think so. Is it the unspoiled wilderness? Of course not, ladies. It's the dirty old man. Now we, at the Icelandic Air, offer you inexpensive trips to Reykjavik, exclusively for the ladies. Get to know the Icelandic male in his natural habitat, in all his refined splendor.
Hi girls! Wanna take a look?
Great shopping, and even greater sexual harassment.
How do you like Iceland?
Who needs the Blue
How do you like
Lagoon
me?
when you can get the dirty old man? Get in line, ladies. He's waiting for you.